To begin a project in Adobe Illustration, the first thing you need to do is create a document. To create a document, there's two methods. The first method, click on File, New. The second method is easiest way, simply click on New File. Once you click on New File, you need to select the template and the document size you want. So we have mobile, web, print, film and video, art and illustration. So this is typically depending on your project. So for our tutorial today, we're going to select A4 size. So go to print, select A4. Now over here, you can select the measurement you want. So I'm going to select centimeters. And over here, you can custom the size according to the project that you want. So for us, since we're going to use A4, I'm going to maintain it as A4 size. And here I can rename the document. So I'm going to name it as tutorial. And over here, you can select it as vertical or horizontal. Right, so once you're done, click on create. On my left, we have selection tool, direct selection tool, pen tool, rectangle tool, type tool, eyedrop tool. Rectangle tool is basically a tool that allows us to create any shape that we want. So for example, if I select rectangle tool and then I just click on my document and drag it, I would be able to create a square or a rectangle tool. And again, if you go back to rectangle tool, click on it and hold it for 5 seconds, you would have options to create any other shape that you want. So if I select star tool, I would be able to create a star shape. Right. Type tool is a tool that allowed us to type any sentence or wordings on the document. So simply select the T symbol or a type tool and then click on your document. So from there you can type any words that you want. Say hello. Right. Then go back to selection tool to complete it. Right. On my right we have symbol, we have gradient, we have property, color guide, color, image trace, pathfinder, align, transform. Now I'm not going to explain in detail about each and every tools that we have over here because this is more on intro session. We will have a separate video to cover in detail on that. In case if you're not able to find any one of the tools that's shown over here, you can enable it by simply go to Windows and select the tools that you want to enable. Let's say for example, if I want to enable Magic Wand, simply select Magic Wand and you can see it's available over here. And I can place it anywhere I like by simply select this, drag and drop it. For example, I want to place it here, simply drag and drop it here. Next step, we're going to create a background for our document. So to create a background, first thing you need to create a square shape. And then next thing you need to make sure the square shape is same size with your document. So go to your rectangle tool, click on it and then click on your document. Just click on OK. Right. And then simply maximize it so it will be similar, same size with your document. Alright, next go to selection tool. Now if you want to change the color, you can go to property, under fill. Here you can change whatever colors that you like, but I'm going to maintain it as a light silver. Simply right click on this, go to arrange, send back. Right. Another important things to take note over here is we have layer. So this layer basically what it does is it creates all the sub layer for each and every object that we create over here. So let's say for example, if I want to lock my background, I just simply click on this and see there's a small lock icon is created. So that means I will not be able to move this, but I can move this, I can move this, I can move this. If I unlock this, I would be able to move the shape. Right. Same goes, if I lock the hello word over here, Okay, if I click on this, you can see the hello world is locked and I would not be able to move it. But we also would be able to hide it or unhide it. Alright, so that's basic about Adobe Illustration. Now to save the file, you have to go to File and then click on Save As and then save on your computer. Okay, so you can name it as whatever you want. I'm just going to name it as test for recording purpose. Simply click on save and then click on OK. Okay, so the file is saved. Alright, so I think we are reaching out to the end of our video. See you guys on the next video.